Hi friends, I am Maruf Hassan from Clipping Aid. Today I am going to show how to create watercolor effect any images in Photoshop CS6. If you watch my video A to Z, hopefully you can do it. Hi friends, this is my channel Clipping Aid. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and click on the bell icon for any up. Okay, we can start now. Please open your Photoshop. Click on File. Click Open. Select your image, which file you want to need edit. I just open this image. Now make a copy of background. Click on the background. Click on the create and new layer adjust box. Click solid color. Select 100% white color. Now open your color image. Click file. Click open. Select your colorize file. Which file effect you want to make on this face. Open. Press Ctrl A. Press Ctrl C. Ctrl W. Click on the background copy. Ctrl V. Edit free transform tool or press Ctrl T. Now just zooming the color file. Press enter. Just drag the layer 1 under background copy. Click on background copy. Press Ctrl A. Edit copy mask. Click on the layer 1. Click add layer box. Press Alt and click on marks area. Edit paste special. Paste in place. Click on select. Deselect. Image adjustment curves. Now adjust the curves. Make the image more black and white. Okay, click on image adjustment inverse, press alt, click on the color area, just close background coffee's eyes. Now look, it make watercolor. Okay, click on this. If you drag the color, now you see it is changed as a marks. Okay, okay. Click on background copy, open I, image adjustment, click on desaturate. Okay, change the blending option normal to multiply. Click on add layer mask box, press Ctrl D, alter backspace, take the brush tool. Now just reduce opacity, type 20. Now paint this space area. For make it more natural, just follow me. Okay, click on file menu, open. Now I just open another color image, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C or edit copy, press Ctrl W, press Ctrl V or edit paste, edit free transform or press Ctrl T. Now make the color layer more zoom. Okay, Change blending mode normal to multiply. Okay, just drag and drop this layer under mask layer. Change this layer fill opacity. Click on background copy. Click on file menu, open and open. I open now another fabric texture file. Control A, edit, copy. Control W, Control V, edit, transform or Control T. Press Control T. Now just zoom the color layer. Press enter or click on this. Again change the layer mode normal to multiply and reduce this layer opacity as you want. Okay friends, my work is done. Hopefully you can do it as you want. Please thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share my video.